welcome back to the channel, guys. We have some new product.
What's up? Sorry.
We got a letter in the mail. Look who got a letter. Look who got a letter. And it's in a big ass box. Let's go and open it and see what's in here. You want to do the honors of being cameraman?
Sure.
It's from FedEx. So, me and Jared already know what we think it is.
I think he ordered the wrong thing.
Don't you ever say that again. Then I'm going to be really depressed on this YouTube video. But, we ordered something from Japan. Actually, this is the first thing I ever ordered from, like, Japan.
It's JDM, bruh.
JDM AF.
Got Greddy, designed and manufactured by Trust Company Ltd. of Japan. I wonder what it could be.
Let's go open it.
You need a knife.
Nope. I kind of want to keep the box and I kind of don't. Because I don't need to be hoarding like I always do.
That's what I wanted to do with my pride seat too.
Ooh, I also forgot about my sticker.
Oh.
I ordered a hologram sticker.
Pretty
Ningden Performance.
For all your JDM needs.
It was supposed to stay on there. Oh boy!
What we got there? Is that a MAF adapter?
It looks like a MAF adapter. I actually thought it was gonna be like plastic rubber. It's actually, the majority of it's metal. Except for like this centerpiece. Well, actually no, it's all rubber. It's all flimsy. Some hardware. And of course, which I hate the color of it and that it's chrome, but I'll get over it. A Greddy Type B Air Intake.
Yay!
You're stepping my game up with sound. Whoosh. Jared's old impatient ass. I never put them back. It ain't a real race car unless shit's missing.
Got to be missing this big old box here.
Good. Jared said I have the baby math. Alright, so what we're going to have to do is, as you can see, these two bolts here, and in the right light. Yeah, there's two more bolts here. Undo both those bolts and nuts, and this should relieve the MAF, release the MAF, which would allow us to put on the MAF adapter that Jared is holding in his hand, on his cock ring. And place it on here, and then now we're down to an intake and not this giant ass box of trash. I'll catch you in the next clips as I undo this. Fuck you say, Jared?
Going in my car.
Look at that booty.
We could do the front mount where you don't have to cut anything. You just replaces this pipe, this pipe, this pipe, and then the intercooler goes in the top right here and then comes out the bottom, so all the pipes just still run factory wise. Our area. So now the small boy.
second there, I thought I was gonna have a failure and I was gonna end up with some garbage working stuff. The garbage working stuff I thought I was gonna like.
I'd give you $50.
Huh?
I'd give you $50.
Shit. I don't even remember how much I paid for it.
70.
70 or 80. Well, worth it though. I don't like yellow, but I'll get over it.
I bought the yellow filter for mine. Would you want the red one?
Hmm?
Would you want the red one?
I prefer the black one.
I think they only have for this one the red one. You can probably buy like a eBay one. It's all the same shit. Trying to figure out what's size. This is actually the same one Toss had. So, oh no, these are the ones Brandon has. No, Toss had the H one.
Alright guys, so I had to take the MAF adapter off to put this rubber seal on to the thing. So now what I can do is redo the bolts and tighten it down, because I was a not so smart person the first time. So we're gonna fast forward this part. Just to let you guys know, Jared did not hit the start button and he was trying to videotape and he failed.
Why is it reading in inches?
Because I got a long inch. Those are
BAM!
You having fun zooming in?
Yeah. Almost done.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Grandpa.
Put this little bracket on, get her a little stiffened up so she ain't wobbling around like a loose noodle.
Wobble, 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 wobble.
Plug the MAF back in and she's good to go.
Yeah.
Make some little
Shit, I was about to say where's the bracket, but it was in my pocket.
blow off noises and some turbo noises. He wishes.
Psych. I do wish.
So how would you rate this installation on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 5.
Difficulty wise, it was a 5.
It was a 12.
It was super hard.
It's a 12. What the fuck? That's a small ass bolt.
Just use the factory one.
You're the fucking factory one. Jeez, Jared. Why did I be so damn smart? Am I hitting it?
Oh, I can't see it. I'm kind of dark.
I can't see either, actually. Yeah, use those magic hands, Jared. Use them. He is tightening down the rubber boot that connects to the MAF. And now he's clipping in the MAF.
Okay.
Alright, let's go test it out. Watch the car like stall out. Alright, so guys, that was the install of our new, straight up from Japan, Greddy Type B Air Intake. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Let us know what you think of the sound. Let us know if we're idiots for fucking using this one and not some other one. Also, like, comment, and subscribe while you're at it.